we've got some irises. They've started to bloom now as well. So these are the typical irises that I see around Italy. Just the same color, the same type. That they grow on the side of the road, they grow everywhere, and I just put some here as well.
Mi bemolle, eh? Il tonico del fa, qual è?
Mi bemolle maggiore.
Mi bemolle.
Allora infatti guarda.
In the meantime, Freya wants to go out, and she's looking at me and looking outside. But if we're going out, I'm leaving her inside. Today I'm going to wear the Innisfree It's Real green tea face mask. It's a sheet mask with green tea and green complex. Look, you can read yourself what it says there. And this is what it looks like on. Look, there's so much essence in here that I usually use these 2 times. I can hardly talk. It fits my face well. It's quite refreshing. It smells a bit like green tea, but not so much. I'm very sorry if this is disturbing in any way. Back at Pandibire. They have so many screens in this place. This is the 2nd floor. Yeah, look what they have there. They have a tap there, and you just put change in it. Where do you put the change though?
I don't know, because it's a system, you see, but then you put the money,
Where do you
take the
put
beer
the
directly from the tube.
But where do you put the money?
I don't know.
And we're here because we're so tired. We don't want to cook. I really don't want to cook. I'm so tired, so we decided to just eat something cheap here because the food here is like cheaper than if you went to a normal restaurant. It's kind of far for and stuff. So I'm gonna have a hot dog basically. Enrico's having a frankfurter with crème and mustard. I don't know, I think it's the weather. The weather's making me really tired and...
Italia we say aprile dolce dormire.
Aprile dolce dormire?
That means April, sweet sleeping.
In April, sweet sleeping, but it's not sweet. It's hard to sleep. So I don't know, Enrico's telling me this Italian phrase, but yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me because April, like spring, just sleeping is just worse. I don't know, whenever the seasons change, it just gets worse. So I don't know, but I hope this summer's good. I hope that Toronto has a hot summer, a hot and long summer for once. That's Enrico's frankfurter, and this is my panin di Vienna. It is a hot dog. There's sauerkraut in it. They don't really do ketchup here. Hey there.
Speaking of Hillary, are you sure you don't want to run for president? Come on, think of all the cool things we get to do. Ride in Air Force One, presidential motorcade. Who needs all that when you've got Uber? Wait, do we ride Uber? No.
Ay, ay.
Our driver. That's right.
Oh, gone.